Hey guys, I'm Erik Valind. I'm a lifestyle portrait photographer based out of New York City. I get asked to take people's pictures all over the place, indoors, outdoors, here in New York City, and all across the country. So it's really important to me that I put together a kit that's extremely versatile, travels really well, packs down easily, and is lightweight. So one of the things I run into when shooting on location is natural light and how contrasty it can be sometimes. Here's a scenario I'm sure all you guys have run into. We have this big window here, we've got beautiful light coming in, but if you look at our model's face, it's very contrasty. We've got nice light here, but too much shadow on this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can combat that contrast with a simple reflector, both indoors and outdoors, for better balanced portraits. So let's show you what the white reflector would look like, which is generally how I would start out in a window light situation like this. So the white side of the reflector, nice and non-directional, soft fill. We can bring it in here, see how it raises up the intensity or the darkness of those shadows. You have to bring it really close and we get a nice fill light there. The problem though you run into is that it has to be very close to be bright enough to really actually elevate those shadows. We're not dealing with direct sunlight streaming in here, it's just a bright daylight out there. So when we have a lower intensity light, we need a higher output reflector to balance out the exposure. This is where the super soft silver comes in. It's going to have the nice soft fill effect of the white side, but because of the soft silver element, it's going to have more high output, like the solid silver side. So watch what happens when we bring this in. Now we're getting that beautiful fill, and I can have the reflector farther away from the model so that it's not crowding the composition, so I can frame differently and it's not getting all up in her personal space at the same time. I can have the same amount of fill, the same beautiful soft quality without getting too close and allowing me to have better framing and composition. So now you've seen what the white side of the reflector does and why I favor the super soft silver in an indirect lighting scenario like this, because it really brings those shadows up and gives us a nice even balance to our portrait. So let's go ahead and head outside where we have a little more direct lighting scenario, and I'll show you how that super soft silver really sings out there compared to the solid silver that you might be used to using outdoors. Now we're outside, and if you look behind me, it's extremely bright. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm on a rooftop here in New York. So you can't get any brighter or any more direct sunlight, and we're gonna run into those issues again where we have contrasty shadows on our model's face. So in this case, I'm going to show you how you might find the standard hard silver reflector would be a good option here because it's got that high output and you're going to compete with that really bright sunlight. But you run into issues because it creates highlights and shadows of its own and creates a fill light that becomes too contrasty as well. So this is another place where the super soft silver really shines because it's going to have that nice high output, but it still has all those soft elements of the white reflector, so it's that best of both worlds to give us the perfect fill while not creating any competing shadows or creating contrast of its own. All right, so we got our great shots here on the roof. You can see how we have that beautiful New York skyline in the background. We're dealing with this 1 o'clock in the afternoon, really contrasty hard light, and the super soft silver gave us plenty of fill light with its output and plenty of beautiful softness to really complement that sunlight and balance out a beautiful portrait for our subject. And then before that, you saw how we shot with that indirect window light, how it was a little dimmer, but it was big, beautiful, soft, and diffused, but still created contrast because it was so side lit, and how the super soft silver gave us that perfect amount of soft fill with high output to balance out with the indirect window light. So it really is amazing how this super soft silver works in both indirect and direct light scenarios so well. And keeping these simple tips in mind, having that communication and that eye contact with your subject, making sure that you get the catch light in both eyes, and then using the beautiful new super soft silver reflector to balance out the exposure, you're going to be able to take amazing portraits both indoors and outdoors on location. And if you don't have an assistant to hold the reflector with you, you're out there shooting on location by yourself, make sure to check out some of the other videos we've got because I show you how you can use a light stand and a simple A-clamp to rig up your reflector to hold itself when you're out there trying to balance out your perfect portraits.